In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable phone number to your Shopify store, a crucial feature that can enhance customer convenience and boost your business's accessibility. Let's dive in and walk you through the process step by step. To begin with, head over to your Shopify admin page. This is your central hub where all configurations and personalization for your store are managed. Once there, look for the Themes section. This area is where you'll manage the overall look and feel of your store, along with various interactive features. Next, you'll want to click on the Customize button for your current theme. This takes you into the Theme Editor, a powerful tool where you can make visual and structural changes to your online store. Here, you'll be able to add and adjust various sections to meet your business's unique needs. Once in the theme editor, your next step is to add a custom section. Adding a custom section gives you the ability to tailor your store's content and layout dynamically, setting the stage for a versatile shopping experience for your customers. After adding a section, continue by including a block within this section. This action essentially creates a new field or element on your page, which in this instance will be devoted to our clickable phone number feature. Moving forward, you'll need to select Button from your options. This button will ultimately serve as the interface element your customers will interact with when they want to initiate a call from their device. It's crucial to select the button because it allows the integration of a phone number link and makes it noticeable and accessible on your site. Now, it's time to personalize the button's title. Editing the title provides an opportunity to address your customers directly, ensure clarity, and encourage action. Choose a title that conveys the action succinctly, such as "Call Us" or "Contact Our Team," aligning with your brand's tone and communication style. With the button in place, the next step is to focus on the link section. Here, you will input "Tell" followed by your contact number. The tell protocol is what transforms an ordinary number into a clickable link that prompts calls when accessed from a mobile device. It's crucial to double check that the number is entered correctly, ensuring seamless connectivity for your customers. Finally, remember to click on the Save button. Saving your settings ensures that all the changes you've painstakingly made are securely stored and implemented on your live site. This affirmation step is often overlooked but incredibly crucial for the entire setup to function correctly. And there you have it. You've now successfully added a clickable phone number to your Shopify store, enhancing your customer interaction and accessibility. Following these steps not only makes your store more user-friendly, but also opens a direct communication channel with your clientele, which can lead to increased trust and sales for your business.